Mas grabe po kayo, syempre. Pops, sa royalty coach ko yan. Sarah Heroico.
Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat
I love
po.
you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sarah, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala! Wala yun! Ikaw lahat yun!
Opo, share ko lang po, of course, when I invited Coach Sarah to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kunin ko lang yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Hi, Sir Sok!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiya man ako magsalita, pero Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang every time na nagkikita tayo. Sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya if you remain humble despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
Love you!
I love you too. Maraming
10
salamat.
years! 10 years na ngayon! Ang takat mo!
Thank you po. I love you so